Can I crochet a square sweater? Hi guys, today we're gonna start making a new cardigan or a sweater possibly. So this is my first time making a big cardigan or a sweater using a square pattern, and I actually not sure which one I'm gonna use, so I'll let you know as soon as I decide. Okay, I did some math, and so I did a little drawing, not too well, but so my first square is gonna be in a mustard, and it's gonna be 20 chains by 20 rows. Then my next one is gonna be 34 chains by 20 rows, and then again the yellow in 20 chains by 20 rows.
Let's get started. I'll be using my 3.25mm hook, but you can definitely go up a size. I will also be using acrylic yarn I bought at Michael's. Now I'll start making my first square in mustard yellow, 20 chains by 20 rows using lemon peel stitch, double single, repeating. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe so I can film more things for you. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see.
So I finished the first square. Here it is, it's in mustard. It is 20 by 20. Then I'm gonna do, so it goes right here, and then I'm gonna do off-white 34 chains by 20 rows, and then the same one. And then on the bottom, we'll do this in the middle, kind of alternated. So one big tip is when you do start the row, the 20 chains, make sure that it's loose, because when it's not loose, you're gonna have this like really tight tension when you attach it to the other squares. And to prevent that, you want it to kind of make it loose. So just loosen up your, you know, your, I don't know, hands when you crochet a little bit, especially when you do the first row. So let's keep going. I'm gonna make a bunch of these and then off-white, and then I'll see you at the end when I have all my squares together, and then we'll start attaching it.
Sometimes sitting at home and crocheting a big project can be a lot. So every day I try to go to the gym to get some exercise. I usually ride a bike for 20 to 30 minutes as a warm-up, and that gives me an opportunity to keep crocheting and get my workout in.
Okay, it's day 2, and this is how far I've gotten. So I think I'm almost done with the back piece, and then I'll start working on the front piece and then sleeves, which should be fairly easy because we only have to make 20 by 20, not anything like this. So let's keep going and then see how it goes. The back piece right there, and then I have the front 2 panels right there that are made of 34 chains with 20 rows. And then I started working the sleeve, but this is the leftover yellow that I have, and it won't be enough to make more than maybe a 1 square. So we're actually gonna use this color for the sleeves, and so let's keep going, and then hopefully we'll get to attach the piece together today, and then yeah, wear the cardigan. So I ran into a little issue, so I'm trying to undo one of the squares. So after sewing across squares with my yarn needle, I realized this was yellow and this was yellow, so it wasn't color blocked correctly. So I had to undo this whole side, and so that's what I'm doing, and it's been almost an hour. So pay attention, guys, to when you sew your squares. Big tip. It's day 2, and I just attached the sleeve and the sides. The sleeve is a little bit long for me, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, not do any ribbing. So now I'm gonna do a few more squares on this side, just I think 3 green and 3 off-white, and then attach that, and then I should be done, and then maybe do ribbing in the front. But that'll be it. Let's keep going. progress of day 3. I love it. Check out the cardigan. I still have to do ribbing in the front at least, but I love it. I thought squares are gonna go much faster, but that was totally lying. It was all in my head. So this is my day 3, which usually takes me as long as other cardigans. So this is actually gonna take me longer than the other ones because it's gonna be day 4. So we'll see. I love it so far. Let's keep going and then see how it goes. So we're at Michael's and I'm wearing the cardigan. I actually finished it, but I need buttons that I made some holes for this. So I'm trying to find some cool buttons that I can put in the cardigan. I do like these ones. I've had it before. They're really cute, but I'm gonna keep looking. I'll definitely probably still buy these for next project. All right, let's see which ones. What do you think about these ones? These ones are cute too. Would it look cool? I kind of like because the green is some in there. There's some green in there and stuff. I can't decide. What about wooden ones? Babe, what do you think?
I think this looks cool.
Or do you think like, I feel like these ones would look cool.
I think anything dark was, this would be cool too.